Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Brazilian dance. We'll start with the foundational Samba step, which is essential for many Brazilian dance styles. Focus on the rhythm, counting 1 and 2 as you move. This helps you internalize the beat and coordinate your body. Remember to shift your weight completely with each step, ensuring a fluid and natural motion. This initial practice is key to building confidence and grace. Let's dive into the basic Samba step. Start with your feet together, maintaining a relaxed posture. Step forward with your right foot, then quickly bring your left foot to meet it, almost tapping. Next, step back with your right foot and again, bring your left foot to meet it. Repeat this sequence, alternating your leading foot. The key is to keep your movements small and controlled, focusing on the quick weight transfer. Now, let's add some authentic Brazilian flair with hip movement. As you shift your weight from one foot to the other, allow your hips to sway gently. This isn't an exaggerated movement, but a natural response to the rhythm. Listen closely to the music. Brazilian dance is deeply connected to its vibrant sounds. Experiment with different tempos and styles to develop your musicality and make the dance truly your own. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering any dance. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to refine your basic steps and hip movements. Observing experienced Brazilian dancers can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own technique. If possible, joining a local dance class offers personalized feedback and a supportive community. Remember, the journey of learning is continuous, and every step brings you closer to fluid, confident dancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.